Hi, hello. Today I'm going to tell you some of 3D tools of Autocad. So these all tools are included in Revit Architecture, SketchUp and same as well 3ds Max also. It has the same process of follow to draw and same as well implementation also. Okay. So for that first I'm entering my Autocad. So this is my 3D. So for converting 2D part into 3D, I'm going to settings. Here, when we choose drafting and annotation, we will be in the 2D portion. In that case only, I'm choosing 3D modeling to entering to 3D part. And same as well here, we have one more option at the right bottom. Here we can see the settings and select 3D modeling. Okay, in that case also we can be in 3D portion. Now I want to tell you some of the tools what we have in 3D basic tools. Okay, in the next video I'll show you a complete room preparation. Okay, that was the last video of the AutoCAD. Clear? So here firstly we have some of the, so here we have the our views. So what we are drawing now, everything will be come in a 3D. Okay, not the 2D commands. Only the tools which are there here, everything will be in the 3D. Okay, so for that here we have an option how the object will be look like. Just see here I am drawing a box. First click, second click and third click. But I want to see this box as a 3D, a shaded one. So for that I am going to view and select the realistic. Otherwise go with shaded also. Okay. So these are some of the different types of things what we have. Okay. Next here we have cylinder. I am selecting the point. Now you can specify the radius of the cylinder also. We can read it in the command bar. Okay. And same as well height of that. Next go with cone, center point, radius and next height of the cone. Okay, and next here we have the sphere, center point and you can specify the radius or otherwise diameter of the sphere. Next here we have the pyramid. So this is our pyramid. Next wedge. So we can use this wedge as a ramp and same as well to show the 3D of canals, bridges and everything. And the last one is torus. See how is it there? Here. Now here we have four more important tools are there which are mostly used in 3D of SketchUp, Revit Architecture and same as well 3ds Max what I said previously. Okay, here we have the common process to proceed for this. Okay, so the first one is extrude. So this is the one which is used to convert 2D part into a 3D. So this is my 2D part. So I want to convert it as a 3D. For that I am selecting my extrude and clicking on rectangle, give spacebar to convert it as a 3D. Okay. Next, here I have the loft. This is the one which gives the solid face of two different objects, two different sketches. Here I am drawing a circle and next I am drawing a rectangle. I just want to move any one of the objects. So I am moving this to upward and here I am applying of 3D, that is left. So I'm going with loft, first object and second object, spacebar. Okay. So like this we can create the loft. And next here we have the revolve. So this is the one of the object. We can create only path and convert it as a complete objects. Okay, for that here I am drawing a sketch by using the polyline, because our diagram, our path should be in the closed, then only we get the our object. So here I just want to create the sketch. So I want to select the lines also. I am directly closing it here. Now apply the revolve for this. I am selecting object and give the axis, first click and second click. This is the axis of revolve. So like this we can create the 3D parts in AutoCAD. Okay, this is the basic tools in AutoCAD what we have. In the next video I will explain, and one more thing, we have more two tools, polysolid. Okay, so what we have in 2D, the same one here also we have. In 2D we just have a line of polyline. Okay, here we have the polysolid which have the solid face, but here it won't be intersect on its lines. See, it will be work other side only, it won't be cross the lines of it. Okay, and the last one is press pull. So here I am drawing again a rectangle for showing the press pull. So here I am selecting press pull and apply it to the rectangle. But here we have the difference between extrude and press pull. Extrude work only in 2D when we convert our 2D into a 3D part in a single time. But press pull can work any surface. On 3D also it will work. Okay, if I want to extend the surface, then I can easily. If I want to extend of the surface, whatever it will be, but it can work. Like this, we can use press pull, but extrude won't work. It works only on the 2D. Okay, so it was a difference for this, and same as well. It is our last second class. In the next session, we will complete our AutoCAD, and after this, I'm going to start the start pro. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.